Welcome everybody, students. I am about to start your class on notice. I am setting my all setup. Meanwhile, some students have joined like Ravina from class plus 2. I welcome you. This class is going to be very useful for student appearing in class 9th, class 10th, class 11th and 12th, and we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is notice writing. This topic is always there in exam also, in the writing section. Meanwhile, Somti from class plus 2 has also joined. Sonia from class plus 2. I welcome all of you, and you send this link, share this link with everybody that is known to you, so that they also learn how to write notice. Upasna from class plus 2 science, she has joined on time. Some students are about to join. I am waiting for them. Yes, hello Manisha. How are you? Savita from class plus 2 science. I welcome all of you. Sneha from class plus 2 science. Some students are good. Some students are writing good morning. Okay, it is not good morning, it is good evening now. 16 students have joined me, and I will wait for 1 or 2 minutes more. And this class is going to be of half hour or 35 minutes. In half hour, you will come to know many things about notice writing. Students, you must sit with your notebooks and pen so that you can note down some important topics for notice writing that are usually asked in your exam. तो बच्चों, आप अपना कॉपी पेन भी तैयार कर लीजिए, क्योंकि आप लोग हैं वो कुछ नोटिस जो इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं एग्ज़ाम के अंदर पूछे जाते हैं उनको भी नोट कर सकें और उनकी प्रैक्टिस कर सकें. स्टूडेंट्स, yes, it is the right time to start your class because it is 8:05 now. So our topic for today is notice writing, and we will discuss an important topic, how to draft a notice for summer vacation camp that is going to be organized in your school. So student, notice writing is a very important topic for your writing section. It is there in the syllabus of class plus 2, class plus 1, class 10th and class 9th. In 9th class it is there in the syllabus for the month of June. For plus 1 class it is there for the month of May, and for plus 2 class it is there in the syllabus for the month of, for the prescribed syllabus of April month. So I want to cover this topic because it is commonly asked topic for your exam. Now 39 students have joined. I welcome all of you. I cannot count your name. I cannot address everybody because it will be just wastage of time. Meanwhile, you share this link with your all non-students, school-going students, wherever they are reading in class 9th, 11th, class 10th, class 12th. It doesn't matter because my aim is to make you competent in the subject of English. Let's come. Now, notice writing. Notice writing, you are familiar with this term. You have seen notice box in every school. Okay, a notice give us an important piece of information. It is a composition which gives a very important information to the students or concerned people about an event. Okay, about an event or competition or cultural feast, etc. Okay, it tells us what is going to happen, when it is going to happen, where it is going to happen, and lastly it will tell us who will come as the chief guest if suppose if it is a competition. Okay, if it is a competition to award the student. Notice is always written in a very formal and simple language. So that everybody come to know about what we are going to tell the concerned people. तो नोटिस राइटिंग के अंदर हम बताने की कोशिश करते हैं कि कोई भी इवेंट, कोई भी जो प्रोग्राम हो रहा है, कोई भी कल्चरल फीस्ट हो रहा है या कोई भी कंपटीशन हो रहा है, कोई भी इवेंट हो रहा है, उसके बारे में हम बताते हैं. ओके, इट इज ऑलवेज पुट ऑन द नोटिस बोर्ड. इट इज रिटन इन वेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज. बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में इसको फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज के अंदर लिखा जाता है और हमें बताता है नोटिस कि क्या होने जा रहा है, कहाँ पर होने जा रहा है, कब होने जा रहा है और किस पर्पस के लिए होने जा रहा है. और अगर हमारा जो इवेंट है उसमें कोई चीफ गेस्ट आ रहा है तो वो कौन चीफ गेस्ट आ रहा है और वो किस पर्पस के लिए हमारा इवेंट है वो हो रहा है. नाउ आई वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट फॉर्मेट ऑफ नोटिस. ओके, यू मस्ट नो द फॉर्मेट ऑफ एवरी topic which is prescribed for your writing section. So I want to tell you, notice is always written in a box. Okay, notice को हम box में लिखते हैं. Okay, draw your box with the help of a scale. Okay, and whenever you are writing a notice, then your notice should not be on 2 pages of your answer sheet. Okay, start it from a new page and end it on the same page. आपको नोटिस लिखते वक्त 2 पेजेस आंसर शीट के यूज नहीं करने. आपने एक ही आंसर शीट का एक ही पेज पर इसको एंड करना चाहिए. तो क्या है कि सबसे पहले हम लिखते हैं नेम ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन कंसर्न्ड. ओके, नेम ऑफ द institution. Name of the institution or organization. Organization, or in simple language, school or college or university. University. Clear? In the second, it is in the first line of your answer sheet. Then in second line, we will write the word notice. Okay? And on in the third line, we will mention heading. Okay? Heading of our notice that we are going to write. Okay, name of the institution is given in the question itself. Okay, most of the time it is given in your question. And then notice name of the, then heading of our notice, and then on the left side we can write date. Okay, date, for example, today don't you don't you don't have the need to write the word date. You can write May 27th 2022, like this. It will be the date of your exam. Most of the time you will write, and then from this line starts body of the notice. Body of our notice, and on the left side at the end you will write name of the writer. Okay, is it, I think it is not visible. Okay, I can show you here. You will write from, okay, from the principal or from head girl or cultural activity secretary. You have to write like this. Now I think you are familiar, you have come to know about the format of the notice. I want to repeat it. नेम ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जिस भी इंस्टीट्यूशन से संबंधित नोटिस है आप उसका नाम लिखोगे, फिर नोटिस वर्ड लिखोगे, फिर हेडिंग दोगे उसको. ओके, लाइक ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप इन द स्कूल, और वैक्सीनेशन कैंप इन द स्कूल, और इंटर हाउस पेंटिंग कंपटीशन, इंटर हाउस फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल फुटबॉल मैच, ओके, और डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल साइंस एग्जीबिशन, और स्टेट लेवल कंपटीशन, चैरिटी शो, ओके, और एक्सकर्शन और टूर टू शिमला, like this. Then date, and then our body of the notice will start. We will write it in a very simple, clear and formal language so that every reader of the notice can know it. And then at the end we will write name of issuing authority, कि नोटिस किसकी तरफ से है, हेड बॉय, हेड गर्ल, और प्रिंसिपल, और लाइब्रेरियन, और यू कैन से वार्डन, और कल्चरल एक्टिविटी सेक्रेटरी, और स्पोर्ट्स कैप्टन, whosoever he may be, we will write his name and class, etc. Now this I have told you about the format of notice. Moreover, I want to tell you that I have made different videos on notice writing. It is these videos are available on my YouTube channel. Most of you are familiar with my YouTube channel also. It is Easy English NCERT e-learning with Chandrapal. Okay, if you will type it in the YouTube's, if you will search it, then go to the playlist. In the playlist, writing section is given in a playlist. You can watch those videos, and you can, I think definitely these videos will be very helpful to you. Now let's write a notice for a summer camp that is going to be organized in your school. So our question will be like this. Moreover, I forgot to tell you that notice is always written in a box, I told you. Now let's write a notice for summer vacation camp that is going to be organized. So your question will be like this. First, try to understand the question. Okay, question will be like this. Draft a notice for your for displaying on the notice board of your school, informing the students about a summer camp in the summer break in summer vacation. Okay, in summer vacation. Okay, this word is more common. For the summer vacation in your school or during your in your school during summer vacation. Okay, here you can write during the summer vacation in your school. So question is very important. Imagine you are Rahul or Ravina, class +2, reading in Jai Bharat senior secondary school Panipat. Okay, so question को आपने बड़े अच्छी तरह से समझना है कि क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया है. ओके, क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है कि आपको अपने displaying on the notice board of your school informing the student about a summer camp during the summer vacation in your school, कि आपके स्कूल के अंदर समर वेकेशन में एक कैंप लगने जा रहा है जिसके अंदर बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. ओके, give the necessary details. Okay, give the necessary details. Okay, this notice आपने ड्राफ्ट करना है. You are Ravina or Rahul, so boys will write Rahul and girls will write Ravina, class +2. Okay, at the end you will write, so you will sign as Rahul. Okay, head boy or head girl like this. So let's write this notice. Okay, क्वेश्चन को आपने समझ लिया होगा कि हमने क्या करना है. अब क्या है कि समर वेकेशन कैंप होते हैं, उसमें बच्चों को उनकी हॉबीज को डेवलप करने के लिए जो स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं उनको इनवाइट करते हैं और बच्चे डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, जैसे और यू कैन से पेंटिंग, स्पोर्ट्स, ओके, पोएट्री, ओके, पोट्री. Then it may be other activities like some problem is there, I think. Okay, some problem is there. So different activities are there for in the summer break. For example, uh, I will say sports, water sports, water sports, then painting, drawing, okay, then music and dance, then some other activities like toys making, toys making, or some other activities are done so that student come to know about these things. Now specialists are invited for the students or trained teachers are there, okay. Activities are organized for fun or for personality development. For example, personality development. Now let's write this topic. This is how you will write. Firstly, write the name of the institution, and the name of the institution you have to write. If it is given in your exam, if it is given in the question, then write the same. Otherwise you will write ABC school, okay. For example, in this question I had written that you are reading in Jai Bharat Senior Secondary School, Panipat. Then write the word notice, okay. Write the word notice. Then give a heading, okay. Heading you will, when you will read the question carefully, then you will come to know about the heading. So its heading will be summer vacation camp, summer camp, okay. Heading will be summer camp. Summer camp. Summer camp. You can write a summer camp. Then in the next line you will write date. Your date will be the same on which you are going to draft your notice. Then from the next line from here, all students will be glad to know that the school is organizing a summer vacation camp or summer camp in the school from from June 2nd, June 2nd, 2022 to June 6th, 2022. The activities will be, this can include the activities, the following activities. Okay, first you can write sports, games and sports. Second, music and dance. Okay, music and dance. Then I want to put some more ink in it. Music and dance. Then third, you can write water sports, swimming, personality development, Then fifth, you can write toys making or communication skill. Many activities are there. You can write all these activities. The interested student, okay, I have to write on the top. I want to erase it. Okay, interested student, the interested students can give their names to the undersigned, okay. Charges are, can give their name or submit their names to the undersigned before June 1st, 2022. Limited students, limited seats, you can say, or students. Charges are rupee 500 per student. For further information, contact the undersigned. Okay, from Rahul. Okay, plus to the head boy. you have to finish it like this. So from here you have to start your notice from here, and you have to put this in a box. All the students will be glad to know that, सभी बच्चों को जानकर के बड़ी खुशी होगी that कि the school is organizing, कि स्कूल है वो ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है इस समर कैंप, एक गर्मियों के अंदर कैंप्स बच्चों का लगा रहा है इन द स्कूल, स्कूल के अंदर, इन द स्कूल फ्रॉम June 2nd 2022 to June 6th 2022। 6 जून से 2 जून से 6 जून तक स्कूल के अंदर कैंप है वो लगाया जा रहा है। दिस कैंप इंक्लूड्स द फॉलोइंग एक्टिविटी, इसके अंदर जो एक्टिविटीज करवाई जाएंगी वो गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स है, म्यूजिक एंड डांस है, वाटर स्पोर्ट्स है, स्विमिंग है, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम है, टॉयज मेकिंग है, और जस्ट आप और भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं एक्टिंग, ओके, टॉयज मेकिंग और एक्टिंग, ड्रामा हो सकता है। The interested student can give their names to the assigned, जिसका नाम नीचे लिखा गया है उसको अपने नाम दे सकते हैं बिफोर June 1st 2022। लिमिटेड सीट्स हैं वो लिमिटेड हैं। चार्जेस आर ₹500 पर स्टूडेंट। फॉर फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन कॉन्टेक्ट द अंडरसाइंड। तो अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप अंडरसाइंड से कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो स्टूडेंट, in this way you will write your notice in a very simple, very effective and very clear, brief, okay, brief language, so that everyone can understand and student should not be misguided by it. So I would like to tell you some topics which are very very important for that you must prepare. Meanwhile, those students who are noting down, they can note down it because this is very important topic for your examination point of view. I hope that you have noted down it. Okay, I want to tell you some important topics for examination point of view. So you have to prepare these topics. Notice for these topics, for example, notice for blood donation camp, blood donation camp in the school, then vaccination camp, vaccination camp in the school, then notice for inviting articles for the school magazine, then name of the student for a tour or excursion, okay. Then different type of competitions are there, inter-house badminton, competition or badminton contest, okay, or painting competition, painting contest, or inter-house or district level football team. Okay, then lost found notice are also there. Lost found. Okay, these are also there in the exam. Then you have charity show. Okay, charity show, or volunteers for any NSS camp. Okay, annual prize distribution, annual prize distribution function. Okay, or sometime it is also asked in the exam that you are the principal and declare holiday on a particular day. So student, this is all about for today's class. I hope that my video will help you. Okay, it will help you a lot. You prepare for these topics that I have written on this whiteboard for examination point of view, and video I have already made on these topics. So if still you have any doubt or any difficult topic for you, you can write in the comment box. Okay, I will tell you, I will brief it. Thank you so much for this class, and have a nice day. ध्यान से करना।